Hello everyone, welcome to Order Club for March Orders 2021. Barb Holt here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Today we are going to make a little card. I'm going to show you how to make the card. You're going to get the kit in the mail. This is what it looks like. This is my prototype, so yours will be a little different. But it's a shape card. It's round. And I just think that is such a fun little card. It's great with gifts and other little things. So I'll show you what's coming in your kit. You will get an envelope. There is tape on here. You just remove the backing and then you can seal it closed. You have two round circles. These are 3-inch circles, and one of them has a score mark. This is the back one, and I'll show you when we put the one together. But it's important to pay attention to which one has the score mark. You'll get one of the shaker rings. This is a little shape that is from the waterfall thin cut set. And then the inner circle from cutting out the shaker. We're not making a shaker. This is, it's just a little card, meant to be a little note card to go with a little gift or something of that sort. So that's what will be in your kit. To get started, the first thing I'm going to do is take the circle, and I used the shaker thin cut set, the circle one, to cut everything out. I used this one to cut these little guys. But you want to fold that. You want to get that paper moving. So I usually use my fingers to start, and then I come in with a bone folder and give it a little encouragement just to burnish that and get that nice and crisp. The other one is going to be your cover. So the first thing I'm going to do is my stamping. I want to use the dark side versus the light side. Your kit may have the outer ring is lighter and the inner ring is darker. It may be like this. You just want to do them opposite. First thing we're going to do is take some charcoal ink, and we're going to use this little ring image. This image comes from this VIP stamp set. They offered a special project for people who signed up for the VIP program. And because I do have a couple of gals who are VIPers, I was able to get the kit. And it's a neat stamp set that was made exclusively for VIPs. So this little ring, just going to stamp that on the inner solid circle, just like that. You can stamp that off. And then I have this, You've Got This. And that's from this stamp set. This is Best Wishes All Around. And this is a stamp set that is meant to coordinate with this circle thin cut set for the shaker cards. But you don't have to make shakers. That's the beauty of this. So I'm going to get my head in the way and stamp that. You've got this. That's it for the stamping. Your kits will have everything pre-stamped for you, so you won't have to worry about that. But I just wanted to show you where those things came from. I'm going to take the circle that does not have the score line on it. So this other circle. First thing I like to do is attach the outer ring. If I get that in place, then the inner ring, of course, will be in the right spot. And you can use liquid glue, you can use tape runner, whatever you like to use, go for it. So you're just attaching that little outer ring on there. And the inside circle, you want to do the opposite shade. This is the same cardstock, it's just that one side of our cardstock is lighter than the other side. So you want just to give it a little dimension. And then take your little sentiment and pop that in the middle. Okay, so it'll look like that. Then you take this, and where this little flap is, that's your hinge for your card. You take your adhesive, tape runner, score tape, whatever you have, and line it up so your words are up, straight up and down, and attach it. And you can see how you get that shaped little card. So you have this cute little kit that you will be receiving. You will also receive the link to this email, or this video, excuse me. The video will stay private for a few weeks, and then I will make it public. Thank you so much for placing orders with me. I truly appreciate it, and this is a way of thanking you by sending you a little special kit. Have a blessed, crafty day, and I'll see you next time.